Hi everyone. I'm starting my series I'm going to try to do a little diary chat every day of what I'm wearing. Give you a little update to see what I actually wear what day to day. So I just got a whole bunch of samples and one of them was Gris Charnel Extrait. And honestly, I was like in love with it. In love with it. Now, I actually bought the bottle secondhand, so it was like half price, not too bad. I tried the original years ago when there was a lot of hype, and it was not for me. I don't know, for whatever reason. I think there was just too much fig. Fig is like a delicate balance for me, but this one is so much better in my opinion. The vanilla is amped up. There is cardamom and iris and tea. It's just the coziest. It still has the fig, but there's a lot more vanilla and tonka. That's much stronger, that's much cozier. The projection on this is wonderful. Like it has a really good 6-foot projection, has a long life, like you're wearing it for 6 hours for sure. It's just It's like warm milk tea with vanilla and tonka. It's absolutely so beautiful. It's just I should show you what it looks like outside because it's pretty yucky. But this one is just like so comforting and perfect for a snowy day, which is what today is. So that's what my scent of the day is. And today is Monday, the 24th. So today's Tuesday morning. I just got ready for work. I'm working from home, but it's a cold, kind of snowy day. I'll put the picture out. We have really early snow here this year. And so Starlight by Xerjoff, there you can see the name there, is a beautifully warm, cozy, spicy scent. It has cardamom, cinnamon, almond, and cloves. Up top, there's like citrus, I think it's bergamot, and then the dry down is like amber and wood. But what I love about this one actually is that it doesn't have vanilla. So many scents like this have vanilla that it's kind of refreshing when they don't. And I'm a huge almond lover. I find this one so cozy and comforting. Like I get a lot of the almond and cardamom, which I'm super loving these days. This was from, I think, 2019, so it's older. I bought this one secondhand. It's super duper beautiful. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to be wearing today to keep myself company in this fall slash winter weather. Okay, thanks.
Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday morning. It is a cool, rainy day where I am. So I am reaching for Tihota, Tihota Vanilla by Indult. So this is a new one to my collection, and I'd heard a lot about this. Everyone says it is just like vanilla extract. So I'm going to add my 2 cents. I think this is more like burnt sugar vanilla to me. So, I mean, this is great for vanilla enthusiasts. It's a pure vanilla scent. It's not complex. It is like super great for cold weather. It's not overpowering. And the notes are, it has some vanilla and there's sugar. It's definitely sweet. There's a little bit of almond, although I don't really get almond in it. There's tonka, I think. But what I get is not vanilla extract. What I get is, I don't know if you've ever made like candy sugar. So like when you put sugar in a pot and you melt it and then boil it down, it starts bubbling and you add some vanilla. That's what it smells like to me. I don't know if you guys have the same experience, and I'm not sure how I feel about this one. So I bought a new bottle, and I like it, but I was not wowed in the way that like many people seem to be wowed by it. I was kind of like, it's not very complex. It's very straightforward. It's kind of expensive for essentially like a powdery vanilla, and I'm wondering if it might be overhyped. I don't know. I'm interested to know what you think. Anyways, this is my scent of the morning for Wednesday morning, okay? Have a great day. So it's Thursday morning, and I have chosen to wear Confetto by Profumum Roma, an Italian perfume house. I'm a huge fan. I just snagged this one secondhand. So Confetto originally was from, I think, 1996. This is a 2023 edition, and it is an almond vanilla with a hefty dose of anise or black licorice, and then an amber musky dry down. I'm really, really liking it. I love that note profile. It's a lot of you will know it's very similar to Hypnotic Poison. I would say this one is not as sweet. It has more anise, and also it's I think it's a little slightly stronger, I would say. Anyways, it's very, very pretty. It's warm, it's cozy. It's a lovely vanilla. It really, really is. And it also doesn't have that sort of plasticky note that a lot of people get from Hypnotic Poison. Some people say it's like a plastic doll head. Anyways, yeah, it's still, the weather's not great. It's kind of like a yucky day. I'm sitting here in front of my fireplace and enjoying confetto, which actually means, I looked it up, in Italian, it means candy. And yet at the same time, I don't find this very sweet, which is kind of interesting to me. But yeah, so that's my perfume of the day. So today is Friday, and my scent of the day, oops, let me get in shot here, is 1957 by Chanel. So this is a really, really beautiful, I would say, iris, powdery, musky, slightly aldehydic perfume. It has a little bit of bergamot up top. There's some peppercorn. It has heaps and heaps of white musk. There's aldehydes. The florals are, I think, jasmine and orange blossom. And it's just such a lovely, lovely dry down. This one has a lot of brightness, of real freshness that comes in that I don't necessarily get from similar musky, iris, powdery kind of perfumes. It just is very calming. It's very feminine. It's really, really pretty. And yeah, it just makes me happy. And the bottle is just so, so, so stunning. So that's Friday afternoon. I'm gonna douse myself in this and try and float off into a beautiful weekend. Thanks. So today is Saturday, and this is my scent of the day. This is Parisian Musc. My Facebook Marketplace group, man, there's been so many things for sale. I think people were trying to shed old perfumes so they could buy stuff for Black Friday. Anyways, I picked this one up and I'd smelled it before and I kind of always really liked it. It is like a stripped down musk. To me, it is just straight up musk. There's a little wood, a little ambrette, I think ambroxan and ambretolide. All that to say, it's just a very clean, soft musk. I really enjoy wearing it. I find it calming, clean, powdery, and yeah, I just found it so, so, so beautiful, and I've been enjoying it the last couple of days. And I'm kind of tired today, so I thought, oh, I'll wear that. Although it's actually beautiful out today, so I wanted you guys to see that it's not always terrible out where I am. But yeah, if you just want a fresh, clean musk, not necessarily white musk, but a woody, powdery, clean ambrette scent, Parisian Musc is awesome. So today is Sunday morning, and I've chosen to wear Cherry Stem by Phlur. This came out, I think this came out this year. It's fairly new, so obviously it's a cherry scent. I know up top there's orange, so it's a fruity, woody, slightly leathery scent. There's definite sweetness. So this one is a little bit different than Lost Cherry, which leans into, I would say, almond and tonka. This one leans more into wood, and there's a little bit of leather. So some people feel this is quite strong. I did not get that sense. I get a lot of fruit from the plum and the orange. I get a lot of cherry, slightly woody. There's ebony wood. I do get a little bit of leather, but I quite enjoy it. I've tried Cherry Punk by Room 1015, and that was just far too much leather for me. But I find this one very, very pretty. I find I get a good like 5, 6 hours. It's very long, and I just sprayed it on. And FYI, my husband was like, "Ooh, I like that one," and I like it too. I find it very happy, very fresh, clean cherry. It's quite like a juicy kind of cherry, not too syrupy, not too dark. I don't know, just a happy way to end the week. So this has been my recap of the week, what I wore every week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, if you like this kind of like daily vlog of what I'm wearing, please let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to keep doing it. I quite enjoy it actually because it forces me to choose a scent of the day and actively think about what I want to wear and what the notes are and what I'm doing and what the weather is, all that kind of stuff. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. And have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye-bye.